Hello and welcome to the AB Mauri Bake Lab. I'm Bill Zimmerman and this is Scott Wise. Here in the Bake Lab, we work to provide solutions to issues sent in to us from bakers across North America. Today, we're evaluating baking powder activity to help our customers choose the right baking powder to produce a variety of cake muffin products.
A common question that we get from our customers is, what is the difference between a single-acting and a double-acting baking powder? The main difference is that the single-acting is either fast or slow, depending on the leavening acid used. The double-acting uses a combination of fast and slow, or slow and slow leavening acids. With that in mind, we'll discuss the various baking powders that we'd use for frozen batter or a variety of different muffins, such as the flat top, bell top, and the peak muffins. Single-acting baking powders are excellent for frozen batter products. Single-acting baking powders like AB Mauri's Old Time baking powder typically use slow leavening acids to achieve desired product volume and texture in frozen batter products.
Choosing the right baking powder for cake muffin products can be a bit more difficult than for layer cake production. If the correct baking powder isn't used, then the proper cap on the muffin is not going to be correct. When producing flat top muffins, the sides of the muffin rise above the pan, then roll toward the center, maintaining the flat top desired for this muffin variety. The same double-acting baking powders typically used in layer cake production are used for flat top muffin production. The reaction of the slower-acting leavening acids occur early in the bake stage in order to allow for the desired flat top. When producing bell top muffins, they hang about 1/4 of an inch over the edge of the pan and rise to a rounded top. Bell top muffins also use double-acting baking powder, but require one with slower-acting leavening acids than those used in flat top muffins. The later leavening reactions create gas expansion to push the center of the muffin up and into the rounded or bell top. Peak top muffins have straight sides that fill the pan and rises to a peak on top. The cracking on top is indicative of this type of muffin. And this type of muffin requires the slowest leavening reaction of the 3 muffin types. The same double-acting baking powder used in bell top muffins may be used, but at a slightly higher application rate. The peak characteristic cracked top is achieved through leavening during the late stages of the bake cycle. Expanding gas cells push up and through the already formed crust of the muffin, creating the characteristic peak and cracking that's typical with this product. As you can see, choosing the proper baking powder for the muffin varieties that your customers prefer is very important. AB Mauri is an industry leader in providing high-quality baking powders for cake muffins of all varieties. Our Baker's Best double-acting baking powder can provide excellent volume, softness, grain, and texture to your cake muffin products. I hope we've provided some insight today into cake muffin production. If you'd like more information on our Baker's Best products or for assistance with an issue in your bakery, please contact a customer service representative today.